Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks invisible in Terraria. This technique is perfect for crafting secret passages, hidden bases, and unique architectural designs. We'll focus on the most effective and direct method to achieve true block invisibility, ensuring your creations remain perfectly concealed. Let's explore the specific items and steps needed to make your blocks vanish. The key to true invisibility lies with echo blocks and echo coding. You can acquire echo blocks from the cyborg NPC when he resides in a graveyard biome, costing 10 silver coins each. For broader application, echo coding, sold by the painter after defeating Plantera, can be applied to any block or wall. Both render items invisible, requiring specter goggles or an echo chamber to see them. Applying these invisibility effects is straightforward. Simply place echo blocks in your desired location, and they will immediately become invisible. For existing structures, use a paint roller or paintbrush to apply echo coating to any block or wall. This instantly makes them disappear from normal sight. Remember, even though they are invisible, these blocks retain their collision, allowing you to walk on them or build upon them. To view your invisible creations, you'll need special equipment. Equipping specter goggles will allow you to see all echo blocks and coated surfaces. Alternatively, standing within the range of an echo chamber will also reveal nearby invisible blocks. These blocks, despite being unseen, still function as solid objects, blocking light and preventing enemy spawns, making them perfect for secret areas and creative builds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.